So tonight we are in Tianzifang and having a look around the little streets here. It's a craft and art place. Let's have a look.
Yeah. 我操，人家讲这么。
This side. Thailand one.
It smells nice.
Very nice looking shop. Selling
Spices, is it? Herbs?
love potions.
Love potion.
How many grams of love do you want? How many grams tea? That is the Minion store.
Oh, is that what it is? Yeah, we can stay in this hotel. Right, we've decided to grab a bite to eat in nice little place.
In the sushi part.
Right.
Is it a fish egg or crab? Crab egg.
Crab roll, crab meat, right? It's kind of like quite
think
a cute
it's egg.
little. So we've got, what did you get? Ordered this.
Cherry jelly
Oh, nice.
drink with milk.
And I ordered Qingdao beer. Rather nice.
Is that Chinese beer?
Right.
Very yummy, yummy, yummy,
Does it
yummy.
smell good? This
Num, num,
is,
num.
crab noodle, crab meat noodle. We're going in for a big bite. We've got a crab meat, we've got a bit of noodle in there, got a bit of egg in there. Look for a reaction. How are we doing for a reaction? Oh, wow, it's a quick reaction. Wow, amazing.
10 out of 10. Amazing.
No,
Try,
really.
try.
I can
Really
smell
good.
it. I can smell the crab from here actually.
Really very good.
It does smell good.
The flavor, the everything, my God.
Wow. You're washing
Worth
that
it.
down with a cherry
This is
drink.
for 18. I will not wash it first. I like the taste
Oh,
the
look.
same.
Chilies. Yeah,
We can find it in the grocery.
yeah, it's in the grocery. I've seen it. Looks nice, huh? Smells good.
Tastes good. I could film you.
It's egg. I don't know why. It's
Tastes
so good. It does taste really
Fried.
good. When it's fried.
Very nice taste.
Really nice taste noodles. Really crabby, noodly, like you expect from a crab noodle. Very good, huh?
The quality of the noodle, my God.
So, what kind of noodle is it?
Rice,
very nice one.
rice noodle. But very thin. High quality.
Big bag for your clothes here. This one, look.
Oh yeah.
Huh? Cool little bars. These little bars, very cool. What's that?
But the panda is nodding.
Really nice. Quite nice to sit and have a beer.
We should stay like 1 or 2 nights and bring Jared back here. Oh, I think we've been here before.
We come to this place?
No, I mean we passed by.
Really?
I don't know, but the shop looks familiar. I
Alright.
think so.
It's very bright. Right, that is it for tonight from where?
From where? From Shanghai.
From Shanghai. And where are we? What place?
Tianzifang.
Tianzifang. So, yep, thanks for watching. That's another one over.
Hi, Jen.
See you later.